Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Tudor Black Bay 58 in 18-karat gold. Though in actuality, the premier part is just the solid gold bracelet. Tudor has made such a splash on Watches and Wonders 2024. We felt we needed to circle back to the gold Black Bay, even though we already covered the new Black Bay monochrome in Black Bay 58 GMT. Check the link in the description if you haven't seen it already. A Black Bay 58 was designed as a vintage-looking modern entry-level luxury dive/tool watch, modest in size and reasonably priced. Judging by the market's reaction, it was the right answer to a question. But now we look at not only at a solid gold Black Bay 58, it has a solid gold bracelet to go with it. Make no mistake, a solid gold T-fit clasp is nothing short of amazing. Yet the elephant in the room is the price. The watch itself, released back in 2021, will set you back by 18,650 euros. To add insult to the injury, on the new solid gold bracelet, it costs 33,100 euros. It is no longer an entry-level luxury, and not even tool watch, as gold will scratch considerably easier than steel. With the golden Black Bay's 58 without the bracelet readily available at Chrono 24 for just north of 10,000 euros, there's little indication this one will retain its value. Rather, it feels like this watch is an answer to a question no one has asked. And how do you feel about it? Thanks, and catch you in the next one.